A native Tucsonan is preparing for his first hurricane. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink spoke with him by phone today and joins us in studio with more. Eric?
Aaliyah, Sean Battle calls himself, quote, a desert dweller. He just got married and moved with his wife back to her hometown in Miramar, Florida, several months ago. Now, with a watchful eye on uncertainty, he prepares for Hurricane Dorian. Battle spent more than 2 decades in the West before moving across the country. This is video he sent us near his home in Miramar, about 20 miles north of Miami. He says he and his wife have about a week's worth of gas, a backup generator, and they've stocked up on food. Now, this is a picture. In just a couple of moments, I believe you're going to see a picture he sent to us. Here it is, a few minutes ago, of a grocery store in Miramar. This is the bread aisle, the shelves nearly empty. Battle says this time is both unsettling and scary.
It's kind of surreal because I never thought that I would be on the East Coast. I've always been like a West Coast child. I lived in Arizona during my life. I moved to California and lived there for 2 years, and I still didn't experience any earthquakes or anything of that nature. Wow, not even a full year out here, and I'm already about to go through a hurricane.
Now, the models show that Hurricane Dorian could make landfall in parts of Florida Monday or Tuesday. Stephanie will have more on Dorian's path in just a moment. Sean works at a hotel on South Beach, and we'll have more of our interview with him coming up tonight at 10 o'clock. Live for now in studio, I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.